Alright, so this is problem set 1D on the Lesson 7 homework. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the compensation method for this because it's reasonably easy. So I've got 230, I've got 190, and so to be able to subtract this easily, I'm going to take it to the next 100. So in order to do that, I need to add 10, so that'll make it a nice even 200. So I'm going to go like this and add 10 to each of these, and that essentially gives me a new math problem. And because we're doing the compensation method, of course, if we add 10 here, we have to add it to the top as well, otherwise it'll throw everything off. So my new problem is 240 minus 200, and that's a lot easier. So I know that my answer is going to be 40. Now we're going to jump down to problem set 2A. So I have 420 minus 230, and it says that we have to use the arrow way this time. So I don't really have a choice there. So I'm going to go ahead and... Sorry about that, I had a very brief interruption. So once again I have to use the arrow way, so I don't really have a choice in that. And so I'm going to go ahead and subtract my 200 so that I can just get that out of the way up front. And so I've got... If I subtract 200 from 420, I come up with 220. And then what would really be easy to do right here is to take this 30 and break it up so that I have a 20 and a 10 instead. Because that'll just help it be a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to use that 20. I'm going to go 220 minus 20 equals 200. And then, oh, I'm running out of room over here. And then minus the 10, and that equals 190. So I think the key to this homework is really just paying attention to what kind of method they want you to use, because for some of these problems they give you a whole host of methods that you can use, and for some of them you have to use a specific method, and that's really what they're looking for.